Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have already started discussion on how to do image processing and advanced computer vision stuffs using OpenCV, that is open source computer vision library using Python, right? So in the first video tutorial in this particular playlist discussion, I have covered how we can read an image, how we can display an image, and how we can write an image. Okay, then in the second part we have studied how we can get the type. Okay, right, because when we are using OpenCV to read an image, that time it will read the image as numpy array of 3 dimension if that is color image, right? Because for red channel, for green channel, for blue channel, so 3 different channels, so it will read as numpy array of 3 dimension, right? Then we have seen how to get the shape, how to get the size, okay, and what is the data type. We got that the data type is unsigned integer 8-bit representation. That means 0 means complete dark, and the maximum possible value is 255, which indicates white color, right? Then we have seen that I have told you in my previous video that as this is image, so same like MATLAB, the image coordinate will start, that is origin will start from top left. Okay, and the reason is quite simple. Suppose you are having one matrix here, suppose 1, this value is 2, this value is 3, okay, this value is 4. Here I am writing randomly, okay, 7, 8, 9, right? Now what happens that here we basically require 2 index. One is for row, another one is for column to access the element. So this is I equal to 0, right? Then this is I equal to 1. This is I equal to 2. Like this, row wise I use one for loop for traversal. Then inside that particular loop we use another loop for traversing column wise. Column wise means this is here j equal to 0, this is j equal to 1, this is j equal to 2, like that. So first element is 0 comma 0, right? Then next element is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means this element. 0 comma 2, okay, that is 0 through 2, that is third column, that means this element, like this. So we are starting for matrix iteration, we are starting from here 0 comma 0. So origin is in this location, okay, right? I hope you have understood. And one more thing you just try to understand. See here, when we are accessing using indexing, what is happening here? If I write like this, so one loop which we are going to use for row wise traversal purpose, that index we are writing first, okay, and row wise using that loop we are going row wise, that is for vertically traversal purpose, whatever index we will be using in the 2D array or matrix, that has to be written first, okay. Then we are using that particular index which we are using for horizontal direction traversing, okay. So this is also very important, remember this. If you are suppose slicing one particular part, then what you do, first specify the range, okay, that is in vertical direction how many part you want, then put the horizontal direction range, okay. So this is also one important point, same like MATLAB. Now let's check how we can access and modify image pixels, okay. So accessing image pixels is very simple, same like what we have done in our numpy array, that is img of 0 comma 0. So this will at 0th row 0th column, what is the pixel it will be giving us. So as I am not specifying the third dimension, so what it will do, it will return all the values of, or that is all the channel values, pixel intensities for blue, green, red channel, okay. So always remember, here I am writing in OpenCV the order is blue, green, red, okay. This is the order for OpenCV color, okay. So this is the pixel intensity corresponding to blue channel. For origin, this is with respect to green channel, and this is with respect to red channel, okay, right? So this is how using simple indexing we can access the particular pixel for any position, in any position present in my image. Suppose you want only red channel pixel value, so here I will write 2, because 0 comma 0 is accessing all the three channel pixel intensity. Now 2 means this red part it will extract and it will return me 195. Okay, if I want the green one, I will write 0, 0, 1. I will be getting 194, which is the pixel intensity of origin for green channel. And if I write 0, 0, 0, that time I will be getting for blue channel. Okay, the origin pixel intensity. And if I want for all channel, then either I can give colon, that means select all the parts of my third dimension, will be getting this result, or you can give nothing. That time also it will understand that we have to return everything. Now to visualize this properly, that in this kind of image data the origin starts from top left, what we can do here, we can show the image using matplotlib. Okay, so from matplotlib.pyplot, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So I will import this matplotlib and then plt.imshow img. Okay, so plt has this function .imshow. Okay, like same function which we have used for our OpenCV, we have used cv2.imshow. For collab we have to use cv2_imshow, right here, but generally in Jupyter notebook we will write cv2.imshow. Similarly, if you are using matplotlib, we have to write plt.imshow of img. Okay, and if we run, see, we will be getting this kind of image. Okay, so tell me, is there some problem? Yes, there is some problem. Here color is changing, because you can clearly understand my actual image looks like this. Here the matchbox color is yellow shape, but here it is turned to blue. Why this is happening? The reason is quite simple. In OpenCV, as I have told you, the color channel order is blue, green, red. But in matplotlib, it will be red, green, blue, RGB. So what we have to do? We have to convert from blue, green, red color format to red, green, blue color format, right? Then we can show easily using matplotlib, no problem, we will be getting. Okay, cv2 dot, the function to convert from one color space to other color space I am talking. Okay, so here we will convert from blue, green, red to RGB, that is red, green, blue, which is for matplotlib. Okay, so cv2 dot convert color, cvt means convert color. This will used for conversion of color space from one to other. First pass the image which we have read using OpenCV, then what we have to do, cv2 dot color underscore the color space from which we want to convert, that is BGR, from blue, green, red to RGB we want to convert. Okay, so we will write this one and let's run the code. Okay, all right, we have not got any error. So then plt.imshow fix image. Okay, and let's run the code and check what output we are getting. See, perfectly we are getting our image using matplotlib. We can show this same image which we can see here, right? And point to be noted, see here how the origin, the axes are present. See, 0 here, 0 here, that means 0, 0 present here. Okay, so always remember this image coordinate starts from in this position. Okay, if this is my original image, this one is my original image, right? I have shown you. Now what we'll do, we will modify a particular range of pixel. Okay, so suppose what do we want? We want to create one red patch here. Okay, that is in this particular region all the pixel values I want to convert to red color. Okay, very simple, fix image. Okay, right? So I have passed the image name and then from which part to which part I want to change. See, as I have told you, always for image, if you are doing some slicing or extracting your region of interest, that time first write in the vertical direction, first handle that part. So suppose 300 to 400, this vertical direction I want to handle. So 300:400, comma, suppose 200 to 400 in horizontal direction I want to handle 200 colon 400. Okay, so this is like for loop matrix traversal. For I, external for loop will go from 300 to 400 and internal for loop which is used for column will go from 200 to 400. Like here the matrix was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I, external for loop which went up and down, that is vertical which was used for vertical traversal, it went like this way 0 1 2, and horizontally for column traversal we used internal j loop, right? Like that, same how we traverse into the matrix or to the array, like that only. Now this particular range of pixels I want to change to red. Okay, so I will write 255 comma 0 comma 0. Why? Because this is already we have converted to RGB format, right? Here BGR to RGB conversion we have done. So now this image is in RGB format. So from in vertical direction 300 to 400 and in the horizontal direction 200 to 400, whatever pixels are present, I want to convert all those to red color. So I am assigning this value. Why this value is red color? Because red channel is maximum, green and blue channel is 0. That means it is nothing but red color, right? And then what I can do, plt.imshow of fix image. Okay, now so this is how we can modify some pixels. Okay, so this will be plt.imshow fix image. So see here, all the pixels in this particular our specified range became red color. Okay, suppose you want yellow color. So yellow color is combination of red color and green color. So I will write here, instead of green 0 I will write 255 and I will run this code and see here it is becoming, all the pixels became yellow color. Suppose I want to make all this as blue color maybe. Okay, so I will make blue channel 255 and red channel green channel as 0 and I'll be getting like this. Okay, so the idea is this one, that how we change some values for numpy array, the same way we will be modifying as well as accessing any particular pixel intensity, right? Like here I have shown you how to access and here we have seen how to modify. Okay, just remember this, if you are using matplotlib to show your, to display your image, that time don't forget to convert from BGR, which is the normal channel format for OpenCV, to RGB, which is the format for our matplotlib, right? So this is all for this video. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.